On June 20, 2019, Iran's Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps called IRGC shot down a United States RQ-4A Global Hawk surveillance drone with a surface-to-air missile over the Strait of Hormuz. Iranian officials claimed that the drone violated their airspace, while U.S. officials claimed that the drone was in international airspace. The incident occurred amid rising tensions between the two countries and nearly resulted in an armed confrontation. U.S. President Donald Trump ordered a military strike against IRGC radar and missile sites before reversing the decision. Instead, the U.S. retaliated with cyber attacks on the IRGC's missile control systems, which Iran said was unsuccessful, announced new sanctions against Iran, and requested a closed-door UN Security Council meeting to address the regional tensions. Iranian Major General and IRGC Commander Hossein Salami said that the drone took off at 24:14 local time from a U.S. military base south of the Persian Gulf and flying toward Chabahar. He alleged that, on its return journey, it violated the Iranian airspace near the Strait of Hormuz. Iranian Foreign Minister Mohammad Javad Zarif has said that the drone was at 25°57' northeast when it was targeted at 4:05 local time. These GPS coordinates put it at 8.3 nautical miles off Iran's coast, within the 12 nautical miles of its claimed territorial waters. According to Iran, the drone was struck by an Iranian-produced Rod-SAM located near Garak, Hormozgan province. However, citing a Pentagon official, Newsweek reported the missile as a Russian-origin S-125 Neva Pekara. Iranian forces displayed sections of the drone, which the foreign minister stated was retrieved from Iranian territorial waters. The Iranian account of the drone's location at the time of the shoot-down is contested by the United States. The commander of United States Air Force's Central Command, Air Force Lieutenant General Joseph Quistela, said the closest that the drone got to the Iranian coast was 21 miles. Later, U.S. Central Command issued a map of the RQ-4A's flight path, showing the attack position as several miles outside Iran's territorial waters. They also released an infrared image of an apparent explosion destroying the RQ-4A taken from another aircraft at 17.3 nautical miles off Iran's coast. The New York Times, citing a senior official in the Trump administration, reported that there were some doubts inside the administration about whether the drone and a Boeing P-8 Poseidon manned aircraft had indeed avoided Iranian airspace throughout their entire flights. General Amir Ali Hajizadeh, commander of Aerospace Force of the Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps, said that the U.S. was warned twice about the infringement of Iran's territorial limit and stated, Hajizadeh also talked about the manned American P-8 plane over Iran's territory. Iranians stated that the P-8 had heeded warnings and moved further off the Iranian coast. The P-8 is a naval aircraft that the U.S. uses for surveillance that is equipped with weapons to destroy ships and submarines. Hours later, the Pentagon confirmed the presence of a P-8 Poseidon aircraft close to the incident. U.S. President Donald Trump later echoed Hajizadeh's statement regarding the P-8 on June 25. Russian Security Council Secretary Nikolai Patrushev echoed the Iranian account, stating Russian military intelligence showed that the U.S. drone was shot down in Iranian airspace. Patrushev said that Iran has always been and remains our ally and partner,